Hey my loves, in today's video I'm going to be trying this RevAir reverse hair dryer. I'm going to really see if this $400 price tag is worth the hype. Now let's go.
Too goddamn big. That felt good. Look at that, girl. Yeah. But my thing is, I think I have like the thickness that I want my hair, but now I'm ready to see some length.
Very healthy.
I'm ready to see some growth.
Healthy hair.
Right.
Like.
So I want to see this shit longer.
Okay.
That's what I'm ready for.
You was like, yeah, let me do it. Okay, good. That sounds good.
Okay, because I'm not upgrading to that phone. On the
I
7th.
notice today about upgrading.
Girl, you didn't want, because when you about to pay that bitch off, then you won't see all the notices to jump.
Yeah, you can upgrade now.
I'm ready for my bill to go down. That's why I'm ready for this one to be paid off.
Look at one, Thank you.
Thank you, Regina. I appreciate you, girl.
Yeah, that really does do a good job.
It do. Especially if you just want your hair straightened out. Well, my hair looks moisturized and I ain't even put nothing on it like that.
It is moisturized.
I only use
That's the main difference. Like this one, it leaves your hair dry. Look at your face. You said, That one. Yeah, that one up. This one leaves your hair moisturized. See this one? And
this one, thumbs up. And it was quick too.
Like, this is like real.
Thanks for watching, my loves. I hope you enjoyed this video. My thoughts on the RevAir Reverse Hair Dryer is that I think that it's worth the hype, but I honestly don't think it's worth the price. I can't see myself spending $400 on this hair dryer because I really don't blow dry out my hair. I only did it for this video just to do a review on it and also to see what the length of my hair was before I start taking the It Works Hair, Skin, and Nails vitamins. So of course I will have a review coming on that soon as well. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned.